Sino mo naman dito? Sa kanila pala ubos na yung food.
Okay, 2 minutes are gone, 1 minute left. Remember, it has to be able to zip. So we're at the last bit here. "45 seconds.
Pag nalagyan ka naman doon dito, sara mo na lahat. Para konting dito na. Hanggang bewang.
30 seconds.